Welcome to Learn Cantonese with Talkademy. This is your host, Jasmine, and today we're learning how to say I have and I don't have in Cantonese. Do you have a book? 你有冇書？你有冇書？ I have a book. 我有書。我有書。I have a phone. 我有電話。我有電話。I have a bag. 我有袋。我有袋。I have a computer. 我有電腦。我有電腦。I have a key. 我有鎖匙。我有鎖匙。I have a bicycle. 我有單車。我有單車。I have shoes. 我有鞋。我有鞋。I have a cat. 我有貓。我有貓。I have a dog. 我有狗。我有狗。I have a pen. 我有筆。我有筆。I have a watch. 我有錶。我有錶。I don't have a book. 我冇書。我冇書。I don't have a phone. 我冇電話。我冇電話。I don't have a bag. 我冇袋。我冇袋。I don't have a computer. 我冇電腦。我冇電腦。I don't have a key. 我冇鎖匙。我冇鎖匙。I don't have a bicycle. 我冇單車。我冇單車。I don't have shoes. 我冇鞋。我冇鞋。I don't have a cat. 我冇貓。我冇貓。I don't have a dog. 我冇狗。我冇狗。I don't have a watch. 我冇錶。我冇錶。Thanks for watching this video. If you want to take your Cantonese to the next level, check out my Cantonese courses and ebooks on talkacademy.com. See you in the next video.